And on to P number 3. We've talked about people, we've talked about process, and now we're going to talk about performance. We talked about the importance between the balance and the people and the process, but performance is equally important to make sure that you're tracking at all three levels. And the three levels are: how are the projects doing? Typically tracking against expected timelines, expected expenditure of cost and use of resources, how the project's tracking against the business benefits that are expected of them, the pure reason for them to be invested in the first place. Second level is around the project managers themselves. Are they performing at the level you'd expect of them, at their competency level, at their experience level? Is there any degree of fatigue out there or requirement for re-educational support? And finally, the PMO itself. The PMO was created for a purpose. Now, how do you measure the success against that original purpose? There needs to be some form of key performance indicators and metrics. We're going to talk in P number 5 around project information system, the data that supports this. But when you start a PMO, or even when you measure the current status of a PMO, what is the baseline? What was the world like when you first started, when the business first invested in a PMO? What was the quality levels like? What is the performance levels like? What is the satisfaction of stakeholders or clients like? What is the actual baseline measurement in that you can then say, okay, now we're investing all of the effort around the PMO. What is the progress? How are we moving, if you like, up the maturity ladder as far as PMOs are concerned? This is the third P. It is the performance of the entire project world, the entire transformational world, the world of change.